Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Camry SE in a gray exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with gray trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you will have 8 and 32 seconds for the left front and right front. For your left rear and right rear, you will have 6 and 32 seconds. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 8 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 9 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have a storage area. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 61,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your automatic headlights as well as your traction control. You will also have your trunk release as well as your gas tank release. Here on the left side behind the steering wheel, you will have your headlight options as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. You will also have paddle shifters. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control, as well as your lane assist and your audio options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as a storage area with a USB plug-in and a 12-volt plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 2.5L i4F DOHC 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple stone chips. Here on the front passenger side fender, you will have a small dent. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here behind the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple chips. Here along the back bumper, you will have a couple chips. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips. On the front driver's side door, you will have a small dent, as well as a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2019 Toyota Camry SE in a gray exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.